Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Today guys, I came with some fire top 5. I want to give you my top 5 criminals in South Africa. Number 1 is Sithole. This nigga, man, he killed 38 people and raped 40. Imagine, how sick are you? How sick are you? And then number 2 is Cedric Maake. Cedric Maake, he committed 27 murders, 4 rapes, 41 robberies. How sick are you? This is crazy, man. This is really crazy, man. Then number 3 is Sipho Thwala. He raped and strangled 19 women. Sure. He raped and strangled 19 women. This is crazy, guys. Then number 4 is Jimmy Maketta. He pleaded guilty for killing 16 and raped 19. Yo, hi guys. Some people, they have livers. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. Then number 5 is Thabo. He flee from Mangaung Correctional Center. Wait. Before he flee, they kill somebody. I don't know if he was involved or not inside the prison. Then they fake the death of him so he can flee from Mangaung to do some shopping in Sithole. Imagine, again, he flew from this country, from SA. Damn, that's crazy. You ask me, that's crazy, man. Now he was appearing at court. He was busy, cuddling with Dr. Nandi Pamagudumane. They were just cuddling there. Like for them, it's like nothing is happening, man. It's like nothing is happening. But it is what it is. I'm gonna drop a video at the end of this recording of him, Thabo, in court. Stay tuned, guys. And please subscribe, guys. Don't just watch, please subscribe, guys. Thank you.